countdown timer is an effective tool for creating scarcity and encouraging site visitors to take action. You'll see some of the world's biggest brands use timers in their sales pages, emails, social media, even commercials. But what happens when the timer runs out? Most marketers just take down the sales page or ask customers to come back later. But at Zipify, we think this is a missed opportunity. What if instead you can continue to get value out of these pages without the hassle of updating them manually? Now you can, with the new dynamic post-countdown feature for the timer block inside of Zipify pages. With this new feature, you can automatically switch out an expired timer with a pre-selected block of your choosing. This allows you to keep the page live so you can continue engaging with any traffic coming in from an ad, email, or a social post. No manual updating, no missed opportunities. For years, our brand Boom by Cindy Joseph has been leveraging scarcity timers on its sales pages, upsell offer pages, and social giveaways. And with this new update, we can greatly improve these campaigns. Here's how you can start using this new timer feature on your store. This feature is specifically designed for the timer block. If you don't see the option to replace the timer with an existing block, you may need to re-add the timer block to use the updated version. Once the timer block has been added to the page, click on it to open the countdown options. Set the countdown mode, timer length, and modify the appearance of the timer by selecting the font type, size, style, color, and alignment. The next section is where you can set up the post-countdown action. Select the option to replace the timer with an existing page block. From the drop-down, you can choose any block that is already on the page. That block will now become hidden on the published page and only become visible when the timer runs out. If you haven't created a replacement block for your timer, go back and add one before returning to this section. Save your changes and update the page to complete the timer setup. That's all there is to it. By replacing an expired timer block with a product collection block or an opt-in form, you can continue to generate revenue and grow your email list even after the initial campaign is ended. If you're a Zipify Pages user, this feature is now available inside the app. But first, could you please do us a huge favor by leaving an honest review in the Shopify App Store? We love to hear from our users. Not using Zipify Pages just yet? Visit Zipify Pages to start your free trial today. I'm Brittany. Thanks for watching.